Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. I am Navajyoti Burman. I am a trained graduate teacher with 7 years of experience. I belong to Gwalpur district of Assam. My home district is a culturally rich district. Our Gwalparia folk songs are world renowned, and our district also reflects the rich culture of Rava, Garo, Koch Rajbangshis, Boros, and many other indigenous tribes. Um, we have Our district have produced many world-renowned actors like late Sukracharya Rava, Mr. Adil Hussain sir, Rohanty Rava, etc. And interestingly, the concept of Sukracharya Rava under the Saltri, an international drama festival, is will conduct here from 15th to 16th December. Secondly, regarding tourism, also Gwalpur district is very rich. Yeah, it has many historical places, such as Sri Surya Pahar is one of the dam, Tukureswari Devalaya, then Jaibhum Kamakya Temple, etc. Are few to mention. It is located on the on the bank of river Brahmaputra, and the municipality of Gwalpara is the second oldest municipality board of Assam. It Our district also have lots of beautiful lakes. Since surrounded by river and lakes, filled with lakes, the fish of Gwalpara is quite famous, along with banana, and we have Asia's second largest banana market here at Darangiri. Um, and also the cane mats, that is popularly known as Shital Pati from Dubapara, is also quite famous. The Shital Pati of Gwalpara is also quite famous. From educational point of view, Gwalpara has a rich history of education too. The PR Goft HS and MP school, which is situated at the heart of Gwalpara town, has completed its 150 years in 2017-18. Regarding my school, I am currently working as assistant teacher at Pachim Govindapur LP School, which is under Balijana Educational Blog. The total enrollment of my school is 178, and we have six dedicated teachers, including me. All the infrastructures are quite sufficient to accommodate all these numbers of students, with running water and electrification, and a quite hygiene environment in the school. The problem I faced in my school when I came first was especially about the subject mathematics and especially division. The students, they found it really difficult to divide. I developed an unique method of using sticks and boxes to solve division, and with gradual application and with their practice, I found that the students are now quite comfortable in doing division. That's a problem which many of the problems why I am sharing one which I have solved in my school. I would also like to share that the ZIIEI training programs were really refreshing, and the training sessions under Rohit sir were quite great. Those were great sessions, learning experience. That in those inputs were quite new. I learned many techniques, and the story shared in the sessions about other innovative teachers were quite inspirational. Moreover, how to make TLMs with almost literally zero cost by using waste materials were fantastic. And the exhibition which I took, which I participated in last January. was one of the best experience of my professional career till date. Regarding the IPE, that is Innovative Pathshala program, first of all, I would like to thank Sri Aurobindo Society and Rohit sir for selecting me among the 25 other teachers across the district. I am quite grateful for that, to Aurobindo Society, and this is a quite different and new experience for me. The online Google Meet classes were something new I have experienced, and alternative academic calendar is a new concept. And the way these sessions, these online sessions are giving us inputs in teaching is simply it's great. And focusing on, say, what teachers, the basic duty of teachers of providing new and simple techniques to prepare lesson plans are quite amazing. Moreover, many few must have thought about giving online classes to government school students from who belongs to very belongs to very remote areas with poor families online classes. But kudos to Sri Aurobindo Society for providing a platform for we teachers also, and the students of the poor and remote areas, to provide online classes. As a teacher also, I am quite happy in taking these online classes and sharing my little bit of knowledge with the students. As I have already mentioned, we have 6 dedicated teachers in our school, and our infrastructure is quite sufficient for 178 students, with running water, electrification, and the hygienic environment. So I feel that our school should be selected as a model school, and it fulfills almost all criteria to be a model school. Finally, thank you Sri Aurobindo Society and HDFC Parivartan for giving me the opportunity. Please do like, share and subscribe.